Okay, good day, sir. Um, my report is entitled Organic Rice Production and Consumption to Sustainable Food Security in Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. The author of this study is Maria Cristina F. Melo from the University of Santo Tomas, established in September 26, 2024. So next is my introduction. The younger generation of organic rice producers and consumers plays a crucial role in improving food security through sustainable farming. Organic agriculture supports the sustainable development goals by promoting food security, health, and environmental sustainability. Market demand and consumption trends must be considered alongside production improvement for long-term food security. In Oriental Mindoro, 598.2 hectares are detected to organic farming, with both certified and non-certified farms contributing to production. This research aimed to assess organic rice farming impact on food security and propose a theory of change to guide future policies and strategies. So next is my objectives. So we have the study. So we have here the study determines the influence of organic farming by understanding the efficiency of production, consumption, integration of value chain, sustainability, and its implication on food security. Especially, this study aims to answer the following questions. We have one is, what is the efficiency performance of organic rice production? 2. What are the factors that influence the consumption of organic rice? 3. Based on the findings, are there evidence shown changes in input, activities, output, and outcome, and impact of organic agriculture on food security through the application of theory of change? Next is the theoretical framework. So the adapted theory of change from the perspective of organic. So muna iyahang structure, we have the vision, activity, output, outcome, impact. So muna iyahang structure, we have pasunod siyang structure from the vision, activity, output, outcome, and impact, because this theory of change is how this vision change the activity, change the output, change the outcome, and then the impact. So that's the purpose of this framework. So next is my methodology. Research design. This study used a qualitative descriptive research design involving the description of all the variables with emphasis on actual current conditions, practices, and situations. Survey questionnaires were used to obtain primary data on the production and consumption of organic agriculture. So next is research participants. We have 60 out of 70 identified organic rice producers from a list by the Oriental Mindoro Provincial Agriculture Office participated. This sample size has a 90% confidence level with a 4.82% margin of error. We have next is the data gathering procedure. After informed consent, primary data were collected through interviews with key farm personnel, while secondary data came from literature. Statistical tools were used to analyze and validate the data to reduce bias. So next is the data analysis. So data analysis, the study uses stochastic frontier analysis or SFA and data envelopment analysis or DEA to evaluate efficiency, or SFA models production efficiency by decomposing errors into random variation and efficiency. DEA with a slack-based measure or SBM assessment input and output efficiencies under a variable return to scale or VRS assumption given varying farm size. This input-oriented or SBM DEA approach measure organic production efficiency through proportion input reduction and output expansion. And this statement or is founded by Cordona et al. 2015. So next is the result. We have the result of objective 1, efficiency performance of organic rice production. We have the bungabong, which is 1, which is have a firm of 8 and global technical efficiency of 1.00 and local technical or managerial efficiency we have 1.00, and then the scale of 1.00, and the retain to scale we have the constant return to scale. So and then we have 7 in the Victoria, we have 26 firm, we have 1.00 as well in global technical efficiency, and so on. So these are the data that prove that efficiency performance of organic rice production is in this firm, and this is the efficiency summary of those. So next is the barangay din sila. We have the dependent variable is equals to total yield or PHP per meter squared. So this is the data, no? So next is sa objective 2 naman, we have factors that influencing the consumption of organic rice. We have the location, bungabong, we have the frequency of 2 with 15%, and the commercial trade and commercial or trade, we have the frequency of 11 and 84% of that. We have the next is number 2, Bulalakaw, we have 28 frequency and percent of 100 in household consumption. Then we have 0 in commercial trade. Next is in Mansalay, we have 1 frequency in household and 33%, and in commercial and trade we have 2, and we have 66% for that. We have Victoria, in household consumption we have 1 in frequency with 50%. And in commercial or trade, we have 1, which is 50% also. We have Nuahan. We have household consumption is 3 and 60%. And in commercial trade is we have 2, then 40% for that. And we have Puerto Galera. We have in household 6 and 85% for that. And in commercial or trade, we have 1 and 15% for that. We have the last is Calapan, 1 for household consumption and 5%, 50%, sorry. And in commercial trade, we have 1 and 50% also. The total of this is we have 42 household consumption and frequency, and 70% in commercial trade naman we have a total of frequency of 18 and 30% for that. So next is the objective 3 result, which is the theory of change of organic farm in Oriental Mindoro. So we have the activity, which is the production, and then the output, we have improved knowledge and skills, and then proper land utilization, well-organized farm, management method, and cost-effective production system. So those are the output. And then next is the outcome. We have 6 strong farmer in the lowland area succeeded 100% efficiency. We have 3 farmers in the upland attained managerial efficiency. We have 25 farmers achieve under mean efficiency. We have 26 farmers obtained below efficiency in social quality, crop diversification, social fertility management, integrated pest and disease management, nutrient management. So impact of those is stable and available nutrient and safe food for household consumption, and then need more effort attain the 100% efficiency increase return to scale. So need to conduct the feasibility of mass production of organic fertilizer for commercial purposes. So next is under the objective 3 result gyapon siya, we have the activity, consumption, and then improve knowledge on the nutrient benefit of organic rice, and then we have portion of organic rice allotted for commercial undertaking. So outcome, we have 100% health and wellness of household members, and then the outcome of the proportion of organic rice is added income for the household. So impact of this is 70% available and accessible supply of organic rice for household consumption. We have 30% available and accessible supply of organic rice sold to market. So other impact is a availability and accessible and limited to niche market consumption. We have the next impact is price of organic rice suitable for market. So next is the conclusion. Lowland and upland farmers achieve production efficiency through flooding, reduce overall performance, and raise restoration cost. Effort to control flooding and improve organic fertilizer management are needed. Farmers prioritize health and household stability over profit, with organic rice benefit community welfare. Certified organic rice serves urban niche market, while non-certified rice is sold locally at lower price. Expanding to supermarkets could increase demand. Organic farming fosters resilience and positive community change, as shown in the theory of change model. So next is the recommendation. To improve organic rice farming, farmers should aim to a 2.5-fold increase in output with double inputs to achieve better returns to scale. Effort should focus on upland training for organic fertilizer production alongside a feasible study on large-scale production. The government must address flooding issues in Mindoro and enforce organic agriculture laws. Then, second recommendation is promoting the health benefit of organic rice can increase consumption and support food security, while farmers should add value and align with consumer preferences. Government support can help stabilize the organic rice market. Next recommendation is the theory of change can guide strategic planning, monitoring, and future research. And next is my reference. And next is thank you. And that would be all my report. Thank you for listening, sir, and God bless.